Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to online study session week 11. Today we will learn unit number 3, that is life functions. As you all know that there is variety of living things on the earth. There are plants, animals, also humans, many microorganisms and many insects. There are some things which all living things do. Living things perform different tasks to stay alive. These jobs or tasks are called functions. Now, not all animals perform these functions in the same way. Similarly, not all plants perform these functions in the same way, but there are some functions which are performed by animals and plants collectively. All living things move, grow, they need food, they carry out a breathing process called respiration. All living things produce waste substances, also they reproduce. All living things have sensitivity. They use their senses to find out about their surroundings. First of all, we have movement. Most animals can move their whole body, but plants can only move their certain parts. Plants open their leaves and turn to face the sun. Animals move from one place to another place to find food and water. They also move to avoid danger. This movement is called locomotion. All movement uses up energy. Energy is required to move from one place to another. As you can see in the animation, the seedlings growing towards sunlight. And here is a butterfly. Insects move by flapping their wings. They have either one or two pair of wings. The leech contracts its muscles to move along in loops. And next we have a jellyfish. Jellyfish squeezes water out of its bell-shaped body and move upward. Its movement is jet-like movement. Next we have barnacle. The barnacle fixes itself to one place for its whole life. The hummingbird hovers while it feeds. A lightweight skeleton, two large wing muscles and four limbs modified into wings help birds to fly. Snake make loops that travel the length of its body and it moves silently forward. A fish uses its head, body and tail to push through water. Next we have growth. All young living things grow. At some stage when they become adults, they stop growing. Some species grow more quickly than others. A human body takes over 20 years to grow to full size. And also, do you know your ears and nose will keep getting bigger for the rest of your life? Scientists recently calculated that a person's ears grow an average of 0.22 millimeter per year. Young snake size of your finger can grow to become an adult over 2 meters long. A tiger cub takes a few years to reach full size. A bean plants take a few weeks to grow to full size. A small seed takes years to grow into a tall tree. A seed needs air, water and sunlight to grow. Food. All living things need food to carry out their life processes. Food gives energy. Animals get this energy by eating different plants and other animals. The higher animals feeds on the lower animals which are smaller in the size, and the animals also eat plants like The antlion builds a trap for ants. Fish swallow their food whole or in lumps. They do not chew their food. But cows, deer, goats, and other herbivores chew their food. A mosquito uses a sharp needle-like mouthpart to suck blood from humans and animals. And when we talk about plants, plants also needs energy. The plants with green leaves make their own food by a process called photosynthesis. In this process, plants use water from the ground, carbon dioxide from the air, and the energy from the sunlight. Not all plants make food in this way. You can see in the picture the tomato plant makes its food in the leaves by photosynthesis. Rafflesia is a parasite plant. It does not have green leaves. It lives off the food made by other plants. Also, there are plants which do not make their own food. They can be carnivores like pitcher plant and Venus flytrap. They trap their prey, they trap the flies in their body and then eat them. Plants can be decomposers like mushrooms. They decompose the dead material. Now students, here are some questions. Why do animals move from one place to another? How do plants make their own food? Why living things need food? Students, you have to write answers of these questions in your neat copies. That's all for today students. Thank you.